Hi kids! Welcome to Teacher Beth Class TV. What letter do you see? Exactly. This is letter W. Today, we're going to discuss about the words beginning with the sound of the letter W. In this lesson, you will be able to recognize pictures and read words beginning with the sound of the letter W. Are you ready? W is a letter in the alphabet. This is an uppercase letter W. How to write the uppercase letter W? Use one stroke to write the uppercase letter W. Start at the blue headline. Slant right to the blue baseline. Slant up right to the blue headline. Slant right to the blue baseline. Slant up right to the blue headline. This is a lowercase letter W. How to write the lowercase w? Use one stroke to write the lowercase letter W. Start at the red midline, slant right to the blue baseline. Slant up right to the red midline. Slant right to the blue baseline. Slant right to the red midline. Once again, this is the uppercase and lowercase letter W. W is a consonant and it has a sound. The letter W sounds as W, W, W. Read the consonant vowel pair with which the name of each picture begins. Wa, wa, wand. Wa, we, web. Wa, we, wig. Wa, wo, worm. Wa, we, wo. We, wa, wo, we. We, wo, we, wa. Wo, wa, we, we. Now it's your turn. Good job! Wagon. Wallet. Walrus. Wand. Wash. Wasp. Watch. Water. Waterfall. Watermelon. Wax. Web. Wed. Well. Wet. Wig. Win. Wind. Window. Windmill. Winter. Witch. Wolf. World. Worm. Once again, these are the words beginning with the sound of the letter W with the sound of W. Wagon, wallet, walrus, wand, wash, wasp, watch, water, waterfall, watermelon, wax, web, wed, well, wet, wig, win, wind, window, windmill, winter, witch, wolf, world, worm. More words beginning with the sound of the letter W. Wall, walk, wine, walnut, whip, wheel, wood, wheat, white, whistle, whale, wave. Are you ready? Say the name of each picture and circle the consonant vowel pair with which each name begins with the sound of the letter W. To actively participate in this activity, you may write your answer in the comments section. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is wig. The beginning sound of the picture is wet. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is wasp. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is world. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is watch. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is where, well. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is wall, warm. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is where, wed. Write the name of the picture whose name begins with the sound of the letter W. You may write your answer in the comment section. These are the pictures whose names begin with the sound of the letter W. Wheel, whale, window, whistle, wave. Practice writing the letter W on your notebook.
Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.